In this little video, I'm going to show you how to record the desktop of your computer to create a lecture, a video lecture that you can upload to YouTube so that you can later embed it in your eCollege course. And for recording your desktop, the program I'm going to use here is called Screen Cast O-Matic. So I'm going to open up Screen Cast O-Matic. Now I have my choice of enabling the Pro features or using the free version. I am really cheap, and so if I enable the Pro features, it means I'm going to have to pay for it. So I'm going to use the free version. When this screen opens up, you get all sorts of choices here. The first one I want to make is to choose my full screen. So now whatever is on my desktop is going to be recorded. If you wanted to record a smaller area, you could certainly record a much smaller area, and you can just where to go? There it is. You can move it around to the different areas of your screen that you wanted to record. But I do like recording the entire screen. You have your choice of turning on the camera, and since I'm sitting at home very casually dressed, I'm going to not choose to turn on the camera. So once I have this up, the next thing I want to do is open up my PowerPoint, because what I'm going to do is simply lecture to my computer using my PowerPoint. So if I start this thing up, now I haven't started the Screen Cast O-Matic. I'm just kind of running through here, and I see my PowerPoint's working just fine. So when it comes time to start this, I'm going to push the record button right here. It gives me a little countdown. Then I begin lecturing, talking to my computer. Be sure my mousey's out of the way, and I just talk to my computer as I'm doing the PowerPoint slides, and I can run through the whole lecture. And when I'm finished with the lecture, it's just Alt-P, and it stops this. Now if I was just pausing it, I could click on Restart and then restart my lecture. But I'm just going to say my whole lecture is done, so I'm going to click on Done. You can, if you choose, preview it. Okay, so well, we can't leave it on that slide here. Let's go to another one here. Okay, now that slide's out of the way. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to publish this to a file. So I'm going to save it right locally on my computer. So I'm going to publish to a file. You have choices, so if you want to add annotations, you certainly can. If you have captions, or you can certainly add those. But I'm going to leave everything as default. You have your choice up here. I want, let's see, Windows Media AVI is what I'm going to choose for this one. I'm going to save the file, and I'm going to right now just go Screen Cast O-Matic sample, so I know it. I'm saving it in my videos folder, so let's save it. I'm at 9%, 26%, I'm halfway there, 80%, there, I've saved it. Okay, now I'm simply going to close this out, and I'm going to close out my PowerPoint. So now what I need to do is to take that video, and I'm going to publish it to YouTube. Now this is my home page on YouTube, where I have 55 videos already out there. I have 40 subscribers, and look at that, over 17,000 people have viewed my video. So I'm going to upload it by going to the Upload button. I'm going to click Upload, and with any luck, another screen is going to pop up here. So I'm going to wait for it. I have videos out there for most of the courses that I teach. And for 2 of my courses, I have a video for every single lecture. And why is this? Let's try it again. There it goes. And so far, nothing. Okay, it finally loaded up. So when I get this screen for uploading my videos, I'm going to select a file to upload. I know that I put it in videos, so I'm going to go down to videos, Let's just make this bigger. Okay. I'm run DLL. Okay, well, let's see what goes on here. There it is. I'm going to double click on it, upload this up. Now over here on this side on the privacy settings, you have your choice of public, and on public everybody can see it. They can search for it. You have your choice of unlisted. Now with unlisted, somebody has to have the link or the embed code to actually see this video. And under private, then nobody can see this video. So currently what I'm going to do is since this is just a sample video and I'm going to delete this out here in just a few minutes, I'm going to leave this under private. So I'm going to come over here and give it a little bit better name. Screen Cast O-Matic trial video. Trial video. If I can get typing, I can put a description in there, and then when I come down here, I can choose which thumbnail that I want. So what's going to show up on the first screen? And I actually happen to like that one showing up on the first screen, so I'm going to leave that. On advanced settings, I can allow comments or not, and I'm going to choose to not allow comments or votes or user ratings. I'm going to leave allow video responses, because if somebody actually wants to record a video and reply to me, hey, more power to them. I'm going to remove notifications because I have several subscribers and I really don't want them being notified. And I like putting in actually what the recording date is. So we have all this. I'm going to save my changes. Now this was a little short video, so this one loaded up pretty quickly. When I go and click on this link, it's going to take me to the video. So let's see. And here we have the video. And I just watch. There it goes. It plays. It gives you how long that video is. But what you need to see is down here where it's share. Click on share and click on embed. Then you choose your size. Personally, I like 640 over 480. And you want to be sure this first one here is unchecked. Show suggested videos. Otherwise, after your video stops playing in your e-college course, then it's going to pop up with all these things on the side right here in the middle. And some of them are going to be relevant and some of them are not, and some of them will even have adult content in them. So be sure that is unchecked, your size. And then this is the link here that you are going to copy out and put into your e-college course to embed this course. And I've already created another video on how to do that. So this is how you would create a video lecture. I want to thank you very much for joining me.